Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. For those of you who are new to the channel, my brother's 2011 Nissan Sentra with over 170,000 miles started throwing engine timing codes back in November of 2024. As a Hail Mary attempt to save the engine before spending the big bucks, I started running Valvoline Restore and Protect to see what it can do. The plan is to run 2 intervals before resetting the engine code to see if it comes back. For those of you who tuned into my live stream on Friday night, you know that I've changed out the oil at about 1,400 miles. One might ask, why so early? Well, here's the thing. In my brother's journey to over 170,000 miles, he consistently ran extended oil changes. So we were growing concerned that the filter might have got into bypass mode from all the carbon that Sentra has built up over the years. One might say, well, Valvoline's oil works slowly to remove the carbon buildup. And that's a great point. You can blame my paranoia for getting the best of me. Alright, so at my last check-in 200 miles ago before the oil change, I added a full quart of oil to top it out. At the time, I calculated that his car was burning through about a quart of oil every 500 miles. Today, I checked the oil level again after 200 miles in the new oil, and it's down another half quart, which means the Sentra is still burning oil roughly at the same rate as the last couple times we checked. I mentioned this in my last update, but I feel like we won't see any improvement in oil consumption for some time. Now, I've read all of your comments on when you started seeing improvement on oil consumption after using Valvoline Restore and Protect, and it looks like it's all across the board. Some folks noticing the difference right away, some after a couple thousand miles, others think it could be as much as 40,000 miles. I guess the saying, your miles may vary, applies in this situation, and I won't know until I know with the Valvoline. Alright, before I show you the latest picture of the dipstick under my cheap microscope, look at where I put the red circles, okay? So here's a picture 200 miles ago. And here's a picture of it after running 200 miles on the fresh oil. Did you catch that? It's working! This is the first noticeable improvement I've seen since running Valvoline Restore and Protect on my brother's Nissan Sentra. So let's put a pin on this data point. Noticeable improvement after 1,600 miles on the Restore and Protect. Alright, my plan is to change the oil out at 1,400 miles again since we saw a lot of buildup in the oil filter and how muddy the oil looked in the stream. I'm open to any feedback, but hey, remember, I'm not a car expert, I'm just here to decompress from work and crowdsource info from all of you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you're watching one of my videos for the first time, consider checking out my other videos on my channel. You'll find videos of me opening up oil filters, videos about how I'm getting my truck to 500,000 miles, product reviews, among other things. Please check it out.